Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel 3D Art and Craft. In this video, I will show you about steel structure simulation and you will see how the stress happened and how the displacement happened. Once you apply force, you can also apply it any steel structure. So here I will do a simple SolidWorks tutorial for simulation and I hope you can also do it. You see the red mark area get more stress. Here stress is more. If you apply more force, chances to break. For that steel structure simulation, first we make a structure. So that first we open our SolidWorks software and take a file and take new and take part and apply OK. After that we take a front plane. You can also take any one plane. I take front plane. Again I draw a center line and draw a line. Again I take a line. Now I draw the structure. Okay. Now I put some smart dimension. Put this one 5 mm. That's fine. And this one I'll kept 80 mm. Okay, and this one I'll kept 10 mm. That's fine. This I will keep this. That's fine. Okay, and apply OK. Now I want to mirror this object to opposite side, so that I take a mirror entities and select all part and mirror about this axis. See, now it's mirror. Now I apply on OK. Now I get this structure, 2D structure. Right now I convert into 3D, so that I take a go features and take a extruded boss. See, and extrude it up to 30 mm. That's fine. 30 mm and apply OK. Now we complete our steel structure. Now I tell you how to make simulation in SolidWorks, so that if you don't find that option, you have to go setting and take add in, and you see here is simulation. You click on 2-1 simulation both side. Okay, now take a simulation and take a new study. Here you find simulation advisor and new study, but you have to take a new study and take a new study. And in this feature you get many more features also here. I required statistic, so take a statistic, and you can also rename here. I rename this steel structure as steel structure. Okay, and apply on OK. After that I select this object, and now it's required to apply some material, so I take a apply materials, and here I choose the steel structure. I take alloy steel SS and apply OK and close this one. After that you have to require fixed geometry, so I take a fixed geometry and it required to fix one side, so I take a fixed geometry. Also use the roller geometry, fixed hinge, this is fixed hinge, roller slider, fixed but our required fixed geometry, so that I fix here and apply on OK. Now it's required to apply force, so that I take a external loads advisor and here I take a force. Now it's time to apply force in top of the plate, so I apply force here and I put the force 50 Newton, that's fine, 50 Newton and apply on OK. Now it's required to run this study, so I take a run this study and run this study. Now it's running. Okay, now I get our steel structure and now I show you how it's work, so that I stress one and animate. Now I animate, see, and this red area is more stress, it will chance to break. If you apply more force, it chances to break this red area. You can also create this type simulation for your requirement size and dimension. You can also make it simulation using Solidworks. I hope all of you enjoy my video, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel for next interesting video. Thanks for watching.